Most people know junk food is bad, but some foods you eat daily might secretly harm your body in shocking ways. From brain-damaging sweeteners to inflammation-triggering snacks, here are 10 foods you should never eat if you want to stay healthy, and the surprising science behind them. Stay tuned because some of them will definitely shock you. 1. Non-organic strawberries. The dirtiest fruit. Strawberries are packed with vitamins, but conventionally grown ones are soaked in pesticides, often over 20 different chemicals per berry. Many of these pesticides are banned in Europe due to their link to hormone disruption and neurological issues. 2. Conventional peanut butter. Aflatoxin-loaded spread. Most peanut butter brands contain aflatoxins, toxic compounds produced by mold that grows on peanuts. Aflatoxins have been linked to liver cancer and immune suppression. Plus, many brands add hydrogenated oils and sugar, turning peanut butter into a highly processed, inflammatory mess. 3. Margarine. The fake butter that wrecks your heart. Once marketed as a heart-healthy alternative to butter, margarine is full of trans fats that raise bad cholesterol, lower good cholesterol, and increase heart disease risk by 34%. Even worse, it's made from hydrogenated oils that can disrupt hormones and accelerate aging. 4. Farmed salmon. More toxins than fast food. Salmon is healthy, right? Only if it's wild-caught. Farmed salmon contains 16 times more toxins than wild varieties, including PCBs, dioxins, and heavy metals. These chemicals have been linked to hormonal imbalances and increased cancer risk. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Your brain's worst enemy. Think artificial sweeteners help you avoid sugar? Think again. Let's check in detail how it affects your health and can put you at risk. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose may harm gut health, increase sugar cravings, and pose serious health risks. Studies link them to higher risks of heart disease, strokes, and metabolic issues by disrupting gut bacteria and promoting arterial plaque buildup. Despite being marketed for weight loss, they may contribute to weight gain and a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. The World Health Organization advises against their use for weight control due to these potential long-term health concerns. 6. Seed oils. The hidden inflammatory bomb. Seed oils like canola, soybean, and sunflower oil are common in processed foods and cooking, but their high omega-6 content may contribute to chronic inflammation. An imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids is linked to health issues like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. When heated, seed oils oxidize, forming harmful compounds such as trans fats and free radicals, which can increase inflammation and disease risk. The refining process further reduces their nutritional value. Partially hydrogenated seed oils contain trans fats, which raise bad LDL cholesterol and lower good HDL cholesterol, increasing the risk of coronary artery disease and systemic inflammation. Despite their widespread use, seed oils may pose hidden health risks, making it essential to balance fat intake for overall well-being. 7. Microwave popcorn, a lung-damaging snack. That buttery aroma of microwave popcorn? It comes from diacetyl, a chemical known to cause popcorn lung, a severe respiratory disease. Plus, the bags are lined with PFOAs, which have been linked to thyroid problems and weakened immune function. Chemicals in the flavoring and packaging of popcorn have been linked to cancer. Microwave popcorn may pose health risks due to its high sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure, and unhealthy fats, such as trans fats, that increase the risk of heart disease. 8. Processed deli meats. A nitrate nightmare. Turkey slices, hot dogs, and bacon contain nitrates, which can turn into nitrosamines, potent cancer-causing chemicals. A study by the WHO classified processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, the same category as tobacco and asbestos. 9. Diet sodas. A chemical cocktail that tricks your body. Many people switch to diet soda to avoid sugar, but artificial sweeteners in these drinks confuse your metabolism, increasing the risk of diabetes, obesity, and even dementia. Shockingly, a study found that drinking just one diet soda per day raises the risk of stroke by 48% along with the risk of cardiovascular problems including AFib, irregular heartbeat, and high blood pressure. 10. Packaged breakfast cereals. A morning sugar bomb. Many breakfast cereals contain more sugar than a candy bar, spiking blood sugar levels and leading to insulin resistance. They can also be unhealthy due to harmful additives and exposure to toxic metals. Even worse, some brands use BHT and artificial dyes, which have been linked to hyperactivity in children and potential carcinogenic effects. So, these foods may be common, but their hidden dangers could silently harm your health. Now that you know what to avoid, make smarter choices to protect your body. What's the most shocking food on this list? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more eye-opening health facts.